Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can leave YouTube Family Premium Group. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner and this page will open up. Now scroll down to the bottom and then tap on this Premium Benefits tab. Inside it, a bunch of information about your current paid plan will be displayed. Simply ignore all of that and scroll down to the bottom again. Here, tap on this Manage Embed and a new page will load up. After that, your current paid plan will be available in front of you. Simply tap on it and then tap on the Edit Embed. Now, all of your current members will be displayed on this screen. In order to leave the family group, tap on your profile icon under the members header and then tap on this Leave Family Group button. Once done, this type of page will load up on your screen. Simply tap on the Leave Group embed and you're good to go. So that's basically how you can leave YouTube Family Premium Group. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.